Hey guys, today we will be seeing how to lace a Nike Air Force 1. Take a end of a lace, put it at the bottom loophole of the shoe. Pull it back on top. Make sure you take the other lace and do the same process. Take the end of the lace, put it through the end loophole of the shoe and pull it back on top. Make sure you take the loop of the lace and pull it. Make sure the laces come out equally at the top. Then you take the left or the right lace, put it on the second loophole of the shoe. Do it to the other side also. Make sure you do it to the third loophole also. Do it on the fourth one also now. Ensure you are doing the same pattern. Because at the end it will come out nicely and neat. Now do it to the sixth loophole. Now over here you have to put it on the hood, like inside of the hood on the tongue. Put it nicely and gently. Make sure you take the left lace and put it on the left loophole of the shoe, the top loophole. Make sure you don't pull the full lace outside. Do it to the right side also. Take the extra laces and tuck them inside the shoe. There you go, you have a loose laced Air Force 1. Do it to the other pair also. The same thing which I have done. There you have it, a loose lace Air Force 1. Thank you for watching this video.